In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable Epic Games Online Service. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Enabling the Epic Games Online Services for all games that you might have on your library is extremely simple. In fact, this process will be done automatically the next time you install the Epic Games Launcher. It is automatically included with the Epic Games Launcher, so in this video, I'm only going to cover how to properly go about updating your launcher if you feel that you don't have the online services properly installed. So if you are installing the Epic Games Launcher for the first time, usually the online services will be enabled by default once you run the installer. Alternatively, if you already have the Epic Games on your computer, what you have to do to check if you have the online services properly enabled is to sign into your account, click on your icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then go into the settings. Usually, if there is an update available, you are going to see this notification in blue, Update Available. And in here, you can start the process of restarting and updating the Epic Games Launcher. Like I said previously, by doing this, you are going to ensure that you download and enable the online services for the Epic Games Launcher. There isn't any sort of special requirement. All that you have to do is make sure that you update the launcher, keep it updated, and you will be good to go with the online services automatically enabled. So as you can see, even the process of updating it is super simple. Once it detects that you are running an outdated version and you go into the settings and click update, it is going to restart super quickly and get it done. I recommend that you allow auto updates afterwards to make sure that you never run an outdated version of the Epic Games Launcher, and you will be good to go to make sure that online services are working and you can now run and play any games inside of the Epic Games Launcher library online. I hope I was able to help you on how to enable Epic Games Online Services. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.